Hi everyone, welcome back to another How to Draw. This week we're going to be doing Dogman. Let's go. Let's start with the head. To make the head, we're going to make a circle and then bring it down over here, okay? So let's start. So like I mentioned, a circle and then bringing it over here. Now let's bring it a little bit more up, kind of like up here, okay? Making a little round spot, and then a line. That way it gives us that dog-like nose. Speaking of noses, let's give him that. After all, we've been mentioning it quite a bit. I'm going to fill in mine. If you would not like to, that's okay. So we'll go like that. Look at that little shine. And while we're doing the head, let's go ahead and put the eyes. We're going to do one here, and just like Dogman, let's give him a nice, pretty smile. Squish. Poof, poof. Okay, and it looks like Dogman has some freckles, so let's put 3 little dots. Okay, the next thing we'll do is a hat. Okay, so for that we're just going to make a little rectangle up here, okay? Up, there, and down. Looks nice, looks nice. And you can't forget that nice little cap. I'm going to give him that little shine too. Okay. Now inside it looks as though there's a little badge. So how we're going to go about making that is think of a tulip. But we're just making the top part of the tulip. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? And oop, forgot the ear. So let's just give him a nice little swoosh. Good job. Okay, so let's do the body next. So we're just gonna make another nice big triangle all the way around, okay? And start. Squish, squish, and squish. Perfect. Now, what we're going to do next is, looks like there's a badge that he has right at the center there. And like I mentioned, it's basically kind of like a tulip. So let's go and start with the bottom and then make 3 little triangle shapes. Well, inside of a circle. Okay, and while we're at it, why don't we do his legs? So the legs we're just gonna make noodly, okay? So go up like that, make it look like he's running, kind of thing, and a teardrop for a foot, okay? We're going to do the same thing with this one. Little noodle, making it look like he's running. So up and then down, up and then down. And a teardrop for his foot. Okay? Alright, the last thing we're going to do is the hands. Now the hands look like they're pretty simple. And we're going to make noodly arms, but also paws. So you know how animals have almost like a nice soft little hand? That's what we're gonna do. Okay. So we're gonna go do the noodle thing. Squish, squish, squish. Up there like that. And let's give him sleeves while we're at it. Sweep. And then another one going this way. If you want to make your hands another way too, that's okay. Okay. Just for fun, let's put to the side the Dogman title. Okay. So first, let's put a D. So we're gonna go down, make a line, and then bring it up. Now we're not gonna do the inside just yet. And then we're gonna put the O just a little inside of the, just right in a little more in near the D. And then for G, we're gonna put it a little behind the O. And doop, doop. Okay. Looks like we might not be able to fit man on this side, but that's okay. So if you ever need to, just put it right underneath. I think it'll still work. So then we're just gonna make an M with a bunch of lines. Then an A. Then the N. There we go. Okay. So once you have your letters all drawn out, let's add our little places where we're gonna put, like where we're gonna fill everything. So I want these two to kind of come together just to make it look super cool. So we're just gonna say that all that's gonna get filled in, and then we're also gonna fill in the D area and the O. All right, so I'm going to fill this all in, and I will see you guys in about a minute or two. Okay, and let's give it a little bit more out here. Okay, and there you have it. We have Dogman and his name. All right, thank you everyone for participating today. Hopefully you liked it, and have a wonderful evening.